There are 3 basic rules when working with work equipment. First, work equipment must be used exclusively according to the purpose and specific working conditions provided by the work equipment manufacturer. Second, do not handle work equipment for which you are not properly trained and qualified. And third, use only work equipment that is in good condition. Also remember the following. The operating instructions must be read before handling. Be sure to know how the control devices work, what the individual switches, buttons, or controls are for, and how to stop the machine in an emergency. Although the employer is responsible for the maintenance and repair of work equipment, you are obligated to inspect the work equipment daily before using it and check for visible damage. You should immediately inform your order of any defects. In the event of any malfunction of the machine or other than normal operation, example overheating, vibration, and noise, or fault or damage to electrical installations, stop work immediately and report the fault to the responsible manager or maintenance department. Never work on work equipment that has been put out of use. The work suit must be buttoned and fastened to the body and must not be worn with a tie, jewelry, or any part of clothing that may catch the tool or parts of the machine in motion. Do not work with music headphones. Never interfere with the operation of another person while operating the machine. Before leaving the workplace, work equipment should be left in such a condition that it does not endanger other workers. It's not just big machines that are dangerous. Hand tools, devices, and gadgets often pose a risk of injury, especially stabs and cuts to all people who use them. The following rules apply to the use of handheld devices and tools. All handheld devices and tools must be thoroughly inspected before use, and all parts and guards must be checked for correctness. Before starting to work with handheld devices, consider its weight and shape. When performing work, take the correct body position. When working with handheld devices and tools, you should always have appropriate personal equipment to protect your hands and eyes, and when working with noisy machines, you must protect your hearing. Do not add handheld devices to others while they are in operation. When working in elevated places, make sure that tools and devices cannot fall. Never carry sharp and pointed tools in your trouser pockets. When you cut something, you should always do it opposite to your body, not towards yourself. And be sure to wear protective gloves. When finished, clean and correctly dispose of devices and tools.